Hello, my name is Habiba. Today I'll demonstrate my Python program for checking happy and sad numbers. So first I'll start with running the program. So here the program asks me to enter an input in a positive as a positive number in an endless loop until I enter the finish flag. So first I'll enter the input as 19. So it says it's a happy number, whereas if I put another input as a 56, then it shows me that it's a sad number. And now if I do enter other input that is like hello, then it says it's an invalid input. Now if I enter the finish flag, then it sums up the result and shows all the happy numbers in series and all the sad numbers in series. So now we'll deal with the questions and walk through the code. So the first question we have is, how did I catch the and handle the exceptions due to invalid inputs? So if you see here, I have the function try except bound around the converting the input into an integer. If the input cannot be converted, it raises a value error, and the program prints the error message as an invalid input. So the second question we have is, how did I compute the sum of squares of a number's digits? So here if you see, I convert the number to a string, squared each digit, and then summed up with this in return function, like summing up integers digit with 2 for the digits in the string. And then the third question we have is, how does my code know when to stop when operating on a sad number? So I used this visited list. If the number is equals to 1, then it shows as an happy. If it is not equals to 1, that we are in circle, so it's a sad number. And then the last question is the fourth question we have. How did I use calculators in my code? I used two calculators. One is the visited list and one is the result function, which is finish flag, that is end.